Welcome to another edition of Active Life's telehealth instructional videos. Today, we'll be talking about how to fit your custom functional foot orthotics into your shoes. Be wary of how much depth your shoe allows. We recommend taking out the original insoles first before replacing them with your new functional foot orthotics. If you're having any difficulty with removing the original insoles, we'd recommend using a flathead screwdriver to pry up around the edges of the heel. It is normal for the manufacturers to make your functional foot orthotics a little longer than your actual foot length. To custom fit your new foot orthotic into your shoes, place the original insoles on top of your new foot orthotic, trace and trim as needed. Every shoe has a different toe box shape. To ensure a proper fit, trace and trim your foot orthotics as needed. To ensure proper placement of your foot orthotics inside your shoes, fold back the front end of your foot orthotic, insert it inside the shoe, and flatten it out by sticking your hand inside. Now you're all ready to use your new functional foot orthotics. From all of us here at Active Life, thank you.